save life. Save water, save life. Save water, save life. Hello everyone, we are the students of Government Senior Secondary School, Purrain. We are here to present a play on save water. Why don't you turn off the running tap?
You just go. Let me brush my teeth.
Oh, cool water.
Hey, why don't you use bucket? You are wasting water.
Taking a bath while holding water pipe in his hand.
Save water, save life. Save water, save life.
Oh, water is low. Switch on the motor. Wow, video game.
Your water tank is full. Please switch off the motor. Your water tank is full. Please switch off the motor.
Ooh, my car is dirty. I should wash my car.
Use a rag or wet cloth to wash your car.
Stop it and leave.
Thus, we waste a lot of water. This is really sad. We should stop wasting water.
Use the taps while brushing teeth. Take quick showers.
Taps at home. Wash fruits in a bowl of water.
Save water, save life. Save water, save life.